strangest things about being human is that we go through life with the persistent sensation that we are somehow sealed off from everything else. As if you are a little stranger placed behind your eyes, peering nervously out at a world that is not you. And this is extraordinarily amusing when you stop to think about it, because the very fellow who says, "I am separate from the universe," is himself part of the universe saying it. It is rather like a wave in the ocean, imagining itself to be independent of the sea. And imagine the anxiety of such a wave. It says, "Oh dear, I must protect myself. I must endure forever. I must become a successful wave. Perhaps if I curl attractively enough, everyone will admire me." But all the while, the wave forgets that its entire existence is the activity of the ocean.